Okay, everyone, today we're going to talk about downloading the materials for teachers. Now, a lot of new teachers, and this is more geared toward new teachers, want to download the logo and they don't know where. So they try to Google it and they may not find a good quality, or they'll ask an app, and then a lot of people might recommend their Etsy links. This is really unnecessary because Palfish supplies the logo for you for free to download from the official website. So let's go into Google. Now, I already have it open, but if you want to find it, all you need to do is Google Palfish teacher. Make sure you add teacher onto the end because otherwise you might get the kids' website. And then you want at the top this third section here, Palfish official course. At the bottom here you can see download Palfish materials. So you'll just click that and download it, and then from there print it. It's a zip file, so you do need to unzip it. Now I will grab this link and I will provide it in the description of this video. So if you don't want to Google about, you can just hit the link down below. Okay? Hopes this no talking today. I hope this helps you. Talk to you next time. Bye-bye.